This is my review for Google Dictionary. Right off the bat, I did not realize that you could use Google Dictionary as an extension, which now that I know that, I think that's going to be really helpful for students in the future, even for my use too. One idea that I had to use with Google Dictionary would be if students are using like News ELA, if they're using ReadWorks, if they're reading articles that may have words that they're not sure of. For example, I came across this one that's science related, but say they're reading about the equinox and they aren't sure what equinox is after even reading all of this. They could double click equinox and it would give them the definition. And if they want to read more about it, they could definitely can go and click more and then read all about equinox, which is super neat. Another useful way to use Google Dictionary would say you have a Google Classroom online and your students do their spelling packet through Google Classroom versus having like a hard copy of it like in their hands. They could use as they pull up their spelling words, they could go to the dictionary and look up their words for the week instead of having to jump between tabs and possibly risking off task or just distracted because that could definitely happen with kids and their technology. Um, I think this would be great for general education students, special education students, teachers, things like that. I don't think you could go wrong using this. So really neat too, super easy to use and easy to download.